Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 433. The vibrations and energies of the number 4 and the number 3 come together in the number 433. The number 3 appears twice, which makes its effects stronger and connects it to the master number 33. Number 4 is about effort and will, patience and persistence, realistic values, ability and stability, service and devotion, practicality and responsibility, building strong foundations, and getting good results. The number 4 has something to do with our passion and drive, as well as the archangels. The number 3 carries the vibrations of the ascended masters and is related to growth and expansion, sensitivity, self-expression, creativity, communication, and self-expression, joy and optimism. The master number 33, also called Master Teacher 33, is made up of 2 threes. It has to do with guidance and help, understanding and inner wisdom, spiritual awakening and upliftment. Angel number 433 is a strong sign that you are supported, loved, and surrounded by angels and higher spiritual beings. You have worked hard for a long time, and your angels want you to know that you have brought prosperity and wealth into your life. Be open to getting the rewards and blessings you've worked hard for, and keep a positive attitude and outlook to keep bringing good things into your life. Use your natural, good qualities to make other people feel better as you work toward your goals and desires, whatever they may be. Be flexible and loving, and bring happiness to the lives of others. When you live your life with love and light, you attract positive energies and good luck. Help other people, and they will do the same for you. Angel number 43, the 3rd of May, also mean that a good chance, or situation, at the right time brings together many pieces of the puzzle for you. You've worked hard and been patient, and now it's time to see the fruits of your labor. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.